In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube chapter card in Canva. A chapter card is a simple on-screen label that lets viewers instantly see what the next section of your video is about. It keeps your content organized, makes navigation easier, and gives your audience a clear visual cue as the topic changes. Start by opening your video in Canva. If you already have a project set up, open that. If not, bring your video onto a new canvas so you can work right on top of it. Press play to make sure everything looks good, then pause when you're ready to add your chapter card. Now move to the exact part of the video where you want the chapter card to appear. Scrub through the timeline and pause on a clean, steady frame so the text will be easy to read. It helps to give yourself a small moment of lead-in and keep the action simple behind the card so your viewer's eyes go straight to the message. Next, open the Elements tab in Canva, then head into Shapes. Choose the basic square. The square will act as your background for the chapter label, so click to add it to your canvas. Resize it so it's large enough to hold a short phrase without overwhelming the video. You can place it in a corner or centered. Just pick a spot that doesn't cover important parts of your footage. Aim for good contrast with the video behind it so the text you add is easy to see at a glance. With the square in place, insert something that clearly describes this part of the video. Keep it short and punchy, like Girl Talk, Pro Tips, Unboxing, or Recap. You can type directly on top of the square or add a text box and place it over the shape. Use a clean, readable font and size it so it's legible on mobile. Center the text within the square and make sure the text color stands out. If the video background is busy, the square will help separate the words so they stay crisp and clear. Give it a quick look to confirm everything lines up neatly, the message is concise, and the placement feels balanced. This simple card will instantly tell viewers what's coming next and make your video feel more professional and easier to follow. And there you have it. You've created a YouTube chapter card in Canva that guides your audience through your content with clarity and style.